go over a couple different ways that you can begin making money in the cell phone business. And you don't even have to have a storefront or overhead expenses. You can do this from home or from your car by offering mobile services to customers. Okay, so first off, you can make money buying and selling phones, which is flipping phones. You can make money repairing phones, and you can make money unlocking phones for customers. So these are just 3 ways that you can start making money. I'm going to go over really quickly about how much you can make offering these services. Just to give you a quick scenario. Okay, so let's say buying and selling phones. Usually per phone that you flip, you can make minimum $50 all the way up to $150, $200. This is what's most likely. This is what's made on most sales. I know there's some sales that you might make even less, or some that you might make even more. But the majority of sales, you're going to be making anywhere from around $50 to around $150, maybe $200. All right, so let's just say that you're making $100 per sale, which is the minimum that I personally try to make on each sale. So let's say that you sell just one phone for 6 days a week. You work Monday through Saturday, 6 days. So that's 6 times $100 each day for one sale per day. So that's $600 extra that you have there just for buying and selling one phone per day. That doesn't take too much time. Buying and selling a phone can take about an hour's work. Okay, just meeting up with a customer, checking out the device, and then putting some ads up and getting it sold. Yes, it might take longer to sell, but the actual work that you put in should only be about an hour's work to make this sale happen. Okay, so repairing phones, you usually make about $50 per repair, sometimes more, sometimes a little bit less, but the average is about $50 per repair. So let's say that you also do just one repair a day for one customer. iPhone repairs only take about 15-20 minutes. Samsung repairs take about 30 minutes to an hour. So let's just say that the repair takes also about an hour. Okay, so that's an hour to repair a phone. You make $50 profit. Let's say you do one a day, again for 6 days for the whole week. So that's 6 times $50, that's $300. So you already have $600 from buying and selling one phone a day, and you have $300 from repairing one phone a day. That's already $900. Let's say you unlock a phone for a customer, just one per day. Okay, so unlocks, you usually make on unlocks anywhere from about $20 all the way up to $60, even $70. Okay, so worst case scenario, let's say, I always like to underestimate rather than overestimate. So let's say $30 per unlock. And let's again say that you do one per day for 6 days. So 30 times 6 is 180. So here we have $600 for buying and selling one phone per day, $300 for repairing one phone a day, and $180 for unlocking one phone per day. Now this is not that much. This is just one per day for each, and it adds up to $1,080 per week. And remember, this is just minimum. This is doing one per day, which should be very simple as long as you do the right things. I'm going to be having a course in the description down below, which you can click if you're interested and you want to learn more about how to make money in the cell phone industry and how to get started. I'm going to show you how you can get started doing this from your own home or from your car by offering mobile services with no money needed to begin. All you need is about $5 to get yourself a tool set. So I'm going to have in the description down below a link to the course where you can get all of the information that you need in order to get started. I'm going to have a bunch of information that I've learned through the years. I've been in the cell phone industry for about 10 years, buying, selling phones, and I've had a phone store for about 5 years, repairing phones as well. The good thing about this too is that this is something that you can just do part-time until you're making enough money to make it full-time if you choose to. Because like I said, it only takes about 2 to 3 hours per day, and you can be making an extra $1,000 per week at minimum. So if you are interested, go ahead and click on the link down below and check out the course, and I'll see you around, guys. Peace. Ciao.